Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm really excited about because I'm going to be trying out a brand new palette that just became available at Sephora. So the palette that I picked up is by McGrath Labs and it is called the Mothership Sublime Bronze Ambition Eyeshadow Palette. And when I first saw this online, I saw it on Sephora's Instagram page, I was just like, wow, dang, that palette looks gorgeous. So yeah, I am going to be trying out this palette in this video, and I'm also going to be doing some swatches for you guys so you can see what they look like. So as you can see, these colors are just so gorgeous, and I was just so excited to try them out. So if you guys want to see how I got this eyeshadow look from this palette, then let's go ahead and get started. So this is what the packaging looks like. It is giving me like Silence of the Lamb vibes, like that's what it looks like. And then you open it and it looks like that. And it has a mirror and 6 gorgeous eyeshadows. So I'm just gonna be using a couple eyeshadow brushes from IT Cosmetics because I feel like these are really good quality brushes. This is definitely going to be a bronzy, shimmery, summery look. Since this one is the only matte shade, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this one first. And that color is called Throwing Shade. Whoa, it is so pigmented. I feel like you could also do some really pretty cut creases with these eyeshadows that would come out so gorgeous. So I was thinking about doing a cut crease look with this, but I'm not sure yet. So yeah, that is highly pigmented, super blendable, and it is very gorgeous too. I don't know why I'm doing this with my left hand. I never do it with my left hand. I always do my right hand, so I was like, that was feeling kind of difficult. There we go, so much better. Gosh, I really didn't need to put that much on my brush because it's like, wow. I think I'm gonna go in with this lighter gold shade next. This one is called Guilt Trip. And the colors are just going on so smoothly. Wow, definitely loving it so far. Okay, now I want to go in with this one right here, and this shade is called Bronze Struck. I'm just gonna put that like kind of, I guess, on the middle of my lid. I don't know. I'm just doing stuff. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, so now I know I want to go and darken up my crease a little bit more, so I'm kind of trying to decide if I want to do that with that shade or that one. I think I'll do a little bit of that one because it's really similar to that color, and I feel like that'll tie in really well together. Oh my gosh, I love that as well. That's so pretty. That's definitely very coppery. Now I'm going to go in with this darker color right here. This one is called Illicit. I just kind of want to bring down the copperiness. I feel like I want it to be a little more bronze rather than coppery, if that makes sense. And in case you guys have been wondering about any fallout, I just noticed that I have literally not gotten any fallout, so I like that. Okay, I kind of feel like I made it a little too dark. I was just really excited to try all these colors out, and I wanted to see what all of them looked like. So there was just one color I didn't try, and it is this color Gold Rush. And I think I might go in and like add that in my inner corners at the very end. So then I will have tried every single color in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in with liquid eyeliner and do a winged eye like I normally always do, which I actually need to get a brand new one of these because this is like literally about to run out. Okay, and now I'm going to go in with my favorite mascara of all time. This is the IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. Like, this is seriously my holy grail mascara. I don't use any other mascara anymore. Do you guys see why I love this mascara so much? Can you guys see the difference of without mascara and with this mascara? I mean, it's just so crazy how good it is. I'm getting mascara in my hair. That's great. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with that last color that I haven't tried yet, and this is the color Gold Rush that I'm going to be trying. Oh, that one is so pretty. I should have used this color first because that is so pretty. Gold Rush is definitely a gorgeous, gorgeous color. Definitely wish I used that one first. That's okay, it still worked out. Okay, you guys, so that is the completed look that I came up with. I seriously think these colors are so, so gorgeous, and these are definitely really good quality pigmented eyeshadows, and I'm just really impressed with them. Can't wait to do more summery, bronzy looks with this palette. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you're going to be trying this palette or if you already have tried it, and let me know what you guys think. And yeah, thank you guys again for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!